Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this big tote crochet bag that you could use as a beach bag or a bag to hold your crochet or knitting supplies or even a marketing bag. And an update on my hands. Turns out my x-rays reveal that I have arthritis in my joints of my hand, so I'll just have to pace myself and work my crochet videos in sections and then join them together, because some days I just cannot hold anything in my hands. It's just that grasping hurts all the way up here, shoots up my arm on both sides, and it's excruciatingly painful just to even move my fingers. So that's the update on my hands. So let's get started. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to work a chain of 57 for a 16-inch wide big tote. You can use any size chain that you would like in multiples of 3 plus 2. I'm just going to work a small section, so you can make your bag any size you would like. So after you have your chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. You're going to go ahead and you're going to double crochet in every stitch all the way down the chain. All the way down your chain. Okay, I've worked all the way down the chain. When you reach the last stitch, you're going to turn the work and you're going to work down this side of the chain. So you're just going to go ahead, and in every stitch I'm going to make a double crochet. Like that, all the way down the chain. Okay, I went ahead and I worked all the way down the chain. So I've worked down one side of my chain, and then I worked down the opposite side. Now at the end of the row, I'm going to find that first skipped stitches, which is the equivalent of my double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that turning chain. And that is going to be the bottom of the bag, like that. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in that same stitch. And I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and now there's the next 2 double crochet, and I'm going to single crochet in the space between those next 2. So skip 2 stitches, single crochet in that space. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the space between the double crochets. And I repeat that all the way around. Skip 2, single crochet in the space. And I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making chain 2 loops. There's my last chain 2. There's my last 2 double crochet. There's my first single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And that's the beginning of the bottom of the bag. For the next row, I'm going to slip stitch into the next chain 2 loop. I'm going to chain 2, and that counts as a double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet in this chain 2 loop. Now I'm going to make 2 double crochet in every chain 2 loop all the way around. So 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 double crochet in every chain 2 loop. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Like that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last 2 double crochet in that chain 2 loop. There was my starting single crochet, and there's my first chain 2, that equivalent to my double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that first chain 2. So now you're just going to continue to repeat these 2 rows. So I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to turn so that I can position myself between these 2 clusters of double crochet, and I'm going to single crochet in this stitch. I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to go over to the space between these 2 double crochet, and I'm going to single crochet, chain 2, go to the space after these 2 double crochet, single crochet, chain 2, go to the space after the 2 double crochet, single crochet. I'm going to repeat that all the way around, making chain 2 loops with a single crochet between these 2 double crochet all the way around, and then I will repeat this row where I make 2 double crochet in every one of the chain 2 loops. And that's all you need to know to be able to work this big tote bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. Hectanuga Patterns is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns.